Hi, welcome to Professional English for Business. I'm glad that you have decided to take this course, and I just want to introduce myself. I'm Nancy Backlund. I am your instructor, and this video is just to get you started and hopefully set you up for success in the class. So below this video, there's a matrix of buttons, and you'll want to start by clicking on the Welcome button. That'll take you to the first module in the course. You'll click on the first link, which is a welcome page, and then progress through that module by clicking next after reading each page. At the end of the module, there are a couple of activities that you'll want to complete, and then once you're done with those activities and read all of the pages, the week 1 module will open. Week 1 doesn't have any textbook work, but you are going to connect your Cengage account to the Canvas class. So there are instructions provided as well as a video on how to do that. And then there are a couple of discussions for you to share your thoughts and experiences. If you have any questions throughout the semester, go ahead and inbox me. Use the inbox tool on the left side of your Canvas page there and shoot me an email. I check it regularly and should reply back rather quickly. Please keep in contact. Don't feel like you're being a burden by asking questions. There isn't a way for me to check in with you on a personal one-to-one basis in the classroom like we would typically do. So please use that tool to contact me. We can always set up an appointment to do a Zoom appointment if necessary. So I wish you luck this semester and I wish you success in completing your course. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know.